Looking for the perfect keyboard to upgrade your setup? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mechanical keyboards of 2026. These keyboards offer incredible typing feel, fast response for gaming, and durable builds designed to last for years. From compact designs to feature-packed gaming boards, we've selected some of the best options for performance, comfort, and style. Let's dive in and find the perfect mechanical keyboard for your setup. Number 5. The LEOBOG AMG 65 Tri-Mode Mechanical Keyboard is a premium mechanical keyboard designed for gamers, programmers, and productivity enthusiasts. It features tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, allowing flexible use across multiple devices. Equipped with custom hot-swap mechanical switches and a gasket-mounted structure, it delivers comfortable typing, reduced vibration, and quiet operation. A dual TFT screen adds a modern flair and functional display for shortcuts, macros, or system info, making this keyboard both aesthetic and highly practical. Small blue diamond key features: tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless for multi-device use. Dual TFT screens, customizable display for macros, system info, and shortcuts. Hot swap mechanical switches, easily swap switches without soldering. Gasket-mounted structure, soft typing experience with reduced vibration. Silent low-noise keys, comfortable for long typing sessions without disturbing others. Durable build, designed for long-term gaming and office use. Customizable RGB lighting, enhance aesthetics and personalization. Number 4. The RK Royal KLUDGE R98 Pro is a high-quality 98-key wired mechanical keyboard designed for gamers, programmers, and mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Featuring a gasket-mounted design and hot-swappable switches, it allows users to customize switches without soldering for a tailored typing or gaming experience. Equipped with RGB backlighting and durable PBT keycaps, the R98 Pro delivers both aesthetic appeal and long-lasting performance. Its compact 98-key layout provides a balance between functionality and desk space, making it ideal for gaming setups or productivity workstations. Small blue diamond key features: 98-key compact layout, saves desk space while maintaining full functionality. Gasket-mounted structure, soft, comfortable typing with reduced vibration. Hot-swappable switches, easily change switches without soldering. RGB backlighting, fully customizable lighting effects. Durable PBT keycaps, long-lasting and resistant to shine. Number 3. The EPOMAKER X AULA F75 Max is a high-end 75% compact mechanical keyboard designed for gamers, content creators, and productivity enthusiasts. It offers triple-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, allowing seamless switching between multiple devices. This keyboard features a TFT display for customizable shortcuts, macros, or system info, and a rotary knob for volume control, media adjustment, or custom functions. With hot-swappable mechanical switches and durable keycaps, the F75 Max delivers a comfortable, quiet, and customizable typing experience. Small blue diamond key features: 75% compact ANSI layout, saves desk space while retaining essential keys. Triple-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless support. Customizable TFT screen, displays shortcuts, macros, and system info. Rotary knob, control volume, media, or custom functions. Hot-swappable switches, easily swap switches without soldering. Durable keycaps and build, long-lasting and high-quality construction. RGB backlighting, fully customizable lighting effects for style and functionality. Number 2. The Ajazz AK820 Pro is a premium 75% compact mechanical keyboard designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals. Featuring a gasket-mounted structure, it provides soft, comfortable typing with reduced vibration. This keyboard supports triple-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth 5.1, and 2.4 GHz wireless, allowing seamless switching between multiple devices and platforms, Windows and Mac. A built-in TFT display adds functionality, displaying macros, shortcuts, or system info, making it ideal for productivity and gaming setups. Small blue diamond key features: 75% compact layout, saves desk space while maintaining essential keys. Gasket-mounted structure, soft typing experience and reduced vibration. Triple mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth 5.1 and 2.4G wireless. Built-in TFT screen, display macros, shortcuts, and system info. Hot-swappable mechanical switches, swap switches without soldering. Cross-platform support, compatible with Windows and Mac. Durable keycaps and RGB backlighting, stylish and long-lasting design. Number 1. The EPOMAKER RT85 is a 75% compact mechanical keyboard designed for gamers, content creators, and productivity enthusiasts. It features a gasket-mounted structure for a soft, low-vibration typing experience and supports triple-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, making it versatile across multiple devices. This keyboard includes a DIY customizable screen for macros, system info, or personal designs, as well as a joystick knob for quick control of volume, media, or other programmable functions. With a built-in 8,000 mAh battery, it provides long-lasting wireless usage, making it perfect for portable setups and extended sessions. Small blue diamond key features. 75% compact ANSI layout, saves desk space while keeping essential keys. Gasket-mounted structure, comfortable typing with reduced vibration. Triple mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. DIY customizable screen, display macros, system info, or personal graphics. Joystick/rotary knob, control volume, media, or custom functions. Built-in 8,000 mAh battery, long-lasting wireless operation. Hot-swappable mechanical switches, easily change switches without soldering. Durable keycaps and RGB lighting, stylish, functional, and long-lasting.